Hello and welcome to another IELTS video, this time on the topic of IELTS vocabulary. Here we will explore three vocabulary which are guarantee, oppose, and matter, and use them to make band 8 or 9 sentences effectively. First word we'll look at is guarantee. Guarantee means a promise or making sure something will happen. Here are some of the word forms that are commonly used with the word guarantee. Now let's look at some example sentences. Since the future is uncertain, nothing can be guaranteed. That means nothing is 100% known. Giving children rewards doesn't guarantee that they'll try harder. In fact, they might become spoiled. So this is also to say that too many rewards can actually be bad and cause bad behavior for children instead of making them be better. There is no way of guaranteeing that people will be able to find the perfect job for themselves. People may try and try and try, but they still may not land a job that they feel that is best for them. Have you heard of the expression, no pain, no gain? That means that nobody is guaranteed a free ride. So if you don't work hard, you don't get what you want. There's no free ride in life. Now, let's look at the word oppose. Oppose can mean to act against or stand in the way of. Here are the different forms that are commonly used for oppose. And now, some example sentences. I'm not opposed to new technology, but I'm worried about the future impact of artificial intelligence. So here, I'm not opposed means I'm not against. Artificial intelligence, that could mean robots. Have you seen the movie Terminator? Another way of saying artificial intelligence is AI. I don't oppose people making sacrifices, especially if it brings more benefits to them in the future. So again, this means I'm not against. Sacrifices means that they are doing something over another thing. So maybe they are sacrificing time with friends by spending more time on homework. That means they're spending less time with friends. I know that there is a lot of opposition to this idea, but I'm for the use of mobile phones in classroom. A lot of opposition means there's many people who think differently than you, who won't like what you're saying maybe. I think we ought to oppose the use of plastic bags, which are harmful to the environment. Ought to oppose, so we should oppose or we should be against. Plastic bags, do you use plastic bags when you go shopping? It's bad for the environment. The third word we'll look at is matter, which means being important or having significance. In a noun form, it can also mean a topic under consideration, the noun form. Here are the different forms we'll be looking at. Team sports matter very little to me, but I do participate in some individual physical activities. Team sports are not important or have little importance to me, but some individual activities are all right, like maybe yoga, jogging, aerobics. Spending precious time with family is what matters most to me. Family is the most important precious time. You can also say valuable time. On such matters, I have very little opinion because I feel so uninformed about this topic. So on such matters, on this topic, or for these ideas, I have very little opinion. I don't know what to say because I feel so uninformed. I don't have much knowledge about this topic. I shut off my phone and studied intensely for the IELTS exam because nothing else mattered to me. Maybe that was you the last week. So when nothing else matters to you, that means time with friends, free time activities, doing what you want, playing computer games, those things are not important to you. So you're focusing all your attention on studying. Remember, intensely? Study, being focused, very focused on. I have nothing else to say on this matter. Means you're finished saying, speaking. And on this matter means on this topic or on this issue. All right. Now that we looked at these 3 words and thought of good IELTS sentences to use, let's try a quiz. So I'll give you as much time as you need, and please press pause because very soon I'm going to show you the answers. All right, now let's look at the quiz answers. My parents' advice really mattered to me, and I used their ideas to make a more informed decision. So, parents' advice was really important to make a more informed decision. That means you had more ideas to think about to make a better decision. A lot of people are opposed to the use of face masks during the pandemic. Some people don't like using face masks. How about you? People trust Tesla cars because they feel like they are guaranteed to have a good product. So when people feel like they're guaranteed to have a good product, that means they believe that nothing possibly can go wrong with it, even though it might not be true. Although there are no guarantees, devoting a lot of time towards your goals can help make them possible. There are no guarantees means nothing is certain. Devoting means paying a lot of attention to, focusing on. There is always opposition to every controversial topic. I guess that's why it makes it controversial. It means there's some people for, some people against, and some people in between. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you did, like and subscribe. Have a nice day.